Good morning, chicks. These are Yayo chicks. They are very active. They got their first vaccination today, and they are just happy chicks for your local crazy chicken. These are very strong, happy chickens. As you can see around, we have about 7,000 in this particular pen and another 5,000 in the other pen. They're very crowded right now, but as time goes on, we'll move them. We'll move some out to another pen because these guys are growing really fast. As you can see, this is what all they do, running around all day. They just got their first vaccination today. And the more I speak, the more they walk towards me. Very strong, healthy chicks. We thank Allah for dream to come true. As I said, we have a second pen here. This is the second pen, as you can show them. This is the system we have installed, but it's not being used right now because of the tank. They just build where the tank gonna be stand. But by next week, inshallah, it's gonna be ready to put it on. But this is the automatic system. Can you show them? Yes. Right here. The automatic system that we install. This guy can just, this guy can just drink through from that. We pump the water from the water well to the tank. Then the tank supply the pens. It supply both pens actually. Then we have a third pen coming up, which is we're finishing now because these guys are growing fast. Today is what? Their fourth day? Today is day 4 since they have been hatched. But they are so big now. Like I said before, we'll give you guys updates. This is all about Sierra Leone right now, and we are so excited. We are so happy. We say Alhamdulillah, 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 Hila bil Alameen. We're really grateful for this dream to come true. Like I said before, these guys, they can eat. Just 4 days. They eat a lot. The mortality rate is very low. We bought these chicks from the Netherlands, Holland. They shipped them out the same day they were hatched. And they're very strong chicks. So if anybody wants to order chicks, we don't mind. Anything about Sierra Leone. Right now, we just want our people to come home and do something. If you want to order chicks, let us know. You can contact my sister Asiatu behind the camera, or my brother, or our veterinary. These 3 people, you can contact any one of them who puts their communication or contact number below. Come on, lady. Come on. Look how big you are. Look how big you are. My goodness. Uh-oh. How about you? Uh-oh. You next. Okay, you next. You lady next. How about you? Uh-oh. You are so big. You guys are growing fast.
Yeah, hello chicks, good morning chicks. Yeah, I don't come inside the Yayo chicks. Yes, they all like how they say this farming and chicken it's a good tanky. Now right now, I don't begin to lay the eggs them. Yes, as soon as I see them now, they get a good production. As I see there now, they don't give because they chew themselves, so they don't fix the glasses for them. As when I see one now, and then they chew themselves again. You see, so now I see now all can are very close. So now they see themselves again, then they chew themselves again. You see, as now you see now because now they don't begin egg production, the egg production they be very correct. So what you do now, at least now, they give the glasses for them not to chew themselves again. Because they may chew themselves too much. So that means say the production will be less. Because any time they chew themselves, they die. And not going to make them die at least. So now you see them now, then they give fine production. So when I see them now, at least they don't give them the glasses. And this so when they see themselves again, now I like it compete to have me so they say again. See? So now that.
Wow, you don't be clean now, guys. Now the 10 minutes we can mix it. For like come on.
Subscribe and turn on post notifications for more videos on Yayo Chicks Farm.